Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents White Chicken Korma. Take 150 grams curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Combine well. 500 grams chicken, with or without bones. Mix well. Marinate for 1 to 2 hours. 10 to 12 cashews and almonds. Soaked in warm water for 15 minutes, then peel the almond skin. 3 green chilies. Add some water, grind it to make thick paste. Chili nut paste is ready. Add 2 tablespoons oil. 1 tablespoon butter. Mix well. Add whole spices. Sauté well. Add 3 small onions paste. Sauté well. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. Salt to taste. 3 mixed chilies. Sauté well. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Mix well. Now add water. Now add marinade chicken. Combine well. Add some water. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Add chili nut paste. Cover and cook 4 to 5 minutes. 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala. 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. 100 milliliters creamed Malai. Cover and cook more 2 to 3 minutes. Heat the charcoal to smoke the chicken. Add oil on charcoal. Lid off for 5 minutes. Our super delicious white chicken korma is ready to enjoy. Add some butter on top. It goes very well with chapatis. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.